Okay, well, for this week, we're going to be presenting about a SQUID proxy server. And the team members who participated on this presentation are David Garcia, Noah Krulish, Justen Neeley, and Isaac Fuentes. Well, first of all, we're going to be talking about what is a proxy server. A proxy is a server that sits in between a computer and any other connection. When a machine requests information, the proxy server will then take the request on behalf of the computer and then connect the user. In doing so, the proxy server has taken the request and forwarded the information. This prevents your IP address and any other information about your network from being exposed. Types of proxy servers. Forward proxy. Request to the internet, it goes through the proxy server before making the request for the user and sends the information back to the users. Open proxy. Using an open proxy can help a user remain anonymous online. In a reverse proxy, retrieves resources on behalf of a client from one or more servers. A reverse proxy is an intermediary for its associated servers to be contacted by any client. Some of the benefits and advantages of a proxy server are content filtering, content monitoring, caching information, anonymity, this is by using an open proxy, network security, and malware protection, and also protects important information from getting hacked by attackers, used in bypassing blocked websites. While doing surfing using different proxies, it enables the security and privacy level. Due to the good cache system, it sometimes uses a speed up browsing and access the data. And for this week, we're going to be presenting a lab about a SQUID proxy server. A brief description is SQUID proxy is an open source caching proxy for the web. It supports many protocols such as HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and more. It improves the response time and reduces bandwidth by caching and reusing the frequently accessed web pages and files. So right now we're gonna be looking at a live presentation. For this, we have actually two virtual machines. One is running Windows 8.1 and another one is running CentOS. On the one that has CentOS version 7, we have installed the SQUID uh, service. So we're just gonna show that it's running right now. Okay. With this command, we can check on the status of the service, which right now it shows that it's active and running. So to manipulate the rules and everything, we're going to be connecting to the CentOS virtual machine by using a security shell program that is called PuTTY, and we're going to be using Internet Explorer to run all the tests. So first of all, what we did is that we have created a set of rules for whitelisting. So in this case, the only traffic that will be allowed for this computer will be the websites that have been previously specified. So first of all, we're going to show the configuration file for SQUID that can be accessed by using a text editor. In this case, we're going to be using VI. Okay. Okay, so we have right here the configuration file. On this one, we have specified the subnet or LAN is running on. We have added a rule for whitelisting sites, and it's gonna go and check on a file located on this path, which is called whitelist sites. We have blocked pretty much any other type of access through HTTP and only allowing the one that is, like I said, on the whitelist sites file. Okay, so once we did this, we have restarted the server, the service, so that it can take the new configuration. We're gonna be checking right now the whitelist sites so that we can know which ones are allowed. Okay, so we're gonna exit from here. We're gonna check on. Okay. Okay, so for this lab, we have added google.com.mx, facebook.com, twitter.com, and youtube.com. So those are the only websites that should be allowed in our browser. Okay, so we're gonna exit from here. Okay, now to be able to apply this configuration, we have to go on Internet Explorer to Internet Options, or also from the control panel. We can launch also Internet Options. Okay. Go to Connections, LAN Settings, and we're going to specify that any traffic should go through the proxy server, which in this case it has the IP 10.0.0.128, and it's running through the port 3128. Okay, so we're just gonna run some tests right now. So as per right now, we're getting an error while trying to access msn.com. So we're gonna try to access right now facebook.com, which is one of the ones that are supposed to be allowed. Okay, so it's loading. We're gonna access youtube.com. It's coming up. Might have a couple of add-ons from a different website. That's why it's showing us that the page cannot be displayed, but anything else, we're able to see it. Let's say google.com. It's coming up. So we try to access a different website like hotmail.com. Every time we're going to be getting an error because that's not in our whitelist file. So that's a way how we can, in a company or an enterprise, be able to specify which websites are allowed and which ones should be blocked by default. So that is our presentation. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.